I'm Dan Robinson, Key Account Manager for McFarlane Manufacturing. Behind me is a fall tillage tool, the Quadra-Till. The Quadra-Till is designed to work 12 inches deep and to work the seed bed, leaving a nice smooth finish for when you come back in the spring. You can complement it with a universal tillage tool like the Inside or the Cobra. Another goal we have is to help incorporate manure or any fertilizer that you've already previously applied. McFarlane Quadra-Till ranges in sizes from 9 foot to 21 foot. The recommended horsepower rating is 25 horse to 30 horse per shank, with the 9-foot machine has 7 shanks and the 21-foot machine has 17 shanks. Our recommended speed on the Quadra-Till is 5 to 6.5. We see a lot of more soil movement and a lot more residue mixing going on at those speeds. The configuration on this Quadra-Till here is the full gang setup for the blades. The gangs on our Quadra-Till have a couple of functions. They're manually adjustable for aggressiveness, but they're also hydraulically depth controlled also. Some of you guys might be wondering about rocks. The gangs are actually on a spring cushion, which you can see up here. That helps prevent any damage to the machine. For added rock protection, we have a C-spring shank for the gangs. We also offer the independent design. Our bearing is a triple lip seal for long life. Our Quadra-Till comes with 24-inch blades that are 1/4 inch thick. It's a residue razor blade built for all soil types and conditions. Our back gang of leveling discs help smooth the seed bed out, so when you come back in the spring, you have a lot smoother finish to work with and you can save on passes. And you can do one light vertical tillage pass or a universal tillage pass. Quadra-Till gangs go to depth of 4 inches, but most growers are 1 to 2 inches, just lightly scratching the surface and sizing residue. So we're sizing residue and going real shallow with it and just scratching the surface. And then we come back with the shanks, and all we're doing is working that soil profile. The shanks on our Quadra-Till are a 15-inch spacing with a 1,600 pound trip force and a 14-inch trip height. Now, the depth can vary anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches. Our options are a 3-inch or 4-inch twisted shovel, and you can get straight points also. A lot of our growers that own Quadra-Tills have said we no longer have to go 15 inches deep. They've ran Quadra-Tills long enough, and the maximum depth of 12 inches is sufficient for their program. And they've seen the benefits through their yields. A lot of times you get too deep with your shank and you're bringing up that muck that you don't want. It's that cold, ucky stuff that there's really nothing in it for the crops. The Quadra-Till's designed not to bring up that soil that you don't want. It's to size and mix the seed bed. Our two finishing options are a 4-bar spike harrow with a rolling basket, or just a harrow, depending on what you want to achieve in the fall. The particular spike harrow that we put on our Quadra-Till is our heavy-duty design with a 12-inch spike. It allows a lot more residue flow, and it also helps break up the larger clods. Until now, a primary tillage tool needed to be followed by multi-passes with finishing tools to prepare a seedbed for planting. The Quadra-Till is a one-pass fall tillage tool that will size residue, shatter soil profile across the width of the machine, leaving a level field and minimizing erosion. A universal tillage tool can make one light pass and quickly prepare a perfect seed bed for the planter. For more information on our Quadra-Till, go to the McFarlane website at mcfarlaneag.com.